Hey guys, today I wanted to show you a game that I played against 2400 rated player on chess.com in the French defense. Just wanted to show you how to play it with white. As you can see, the whole idea of the French defense is gaining as much space as possible with white. And am I not hanging a pawn? No, we need to learn this common motive that, well, after queen to d4 we have a discovered attack. We are checking the king and we are taking the queen, right? So knight to f6, knight takes f6, and knight to f3. I mean, I'm just trying to develop my pieces in a very simple way, and always there is a thing with bishop g5, so he plays bishop b4 to force a bishop exchange. And I castle again. And whoa, I'm hanging a pawn right now, because after bishop b5, knight to b5, and we are okay, right? No, because I again take bishop b5. So don't worry, I'm not gonna hang a pawn, not in the first 13 moves, alright? But here, I'm giving away a pawn, and do you know why? Because his king is on the middle of the chessboard, so I'm trying to get use of it. Again, he cannot castle because of the discovered attack, which is funny. So I was thinking that it's actually a good idea, but after bishop to c6, I end up in trouble, because like how am I supposed to defend this rook, right? Like I play rook to c1 and then you go queen to d6. I cannot go queen to a5 because queen takes d3, so it's kind of GG for me at this point. But you know, I was making myself a breakfast then. So you know, I was just blitzing out moves. Although I have 5 minutes on the clock, it's because mainly I was just preparing food. And here, after I sacrificed my rook, which was a brilliant move, I played queen f7, rook to d1, rook takes, rook h f8, and bishop f1. Attacking this boy here. The king ends on the middle of the chessboard, so I just end up harassing the king. Queen d7, rook c1, a3, bishop to c4, king b2, queen d2, king a3, and rook a1. Well, yeah, I wanted to sacrifice another bishop. After he takes, I wanted to just play queen to d3 and try to mate him here. Queen to... Oh, exactly, he had queen to b3. Oh, that was a mistake. So after, if I played that, if he just took the bishop and then played queen to b3, the game would take a little bit of time. And you know, who knows? Maybe I would even blunder a back rank mate. Everything is possible when I play chess, man. But overall, he just took my pawn and I just checkmated him, which was pretty quick. So that's how we play the French defense. And if you wanna, you know, train with us, join our community, and just improve together, then join my Discord server. Link in the description. See ya.